I just arrived in Ouray, Colorado. This is a little mountain town, about 77,000 feet. And again, I'm camped in a BLM area. This has got a little creek. I'm not sure if it's year-round or just the snow melt. Got a table and chair set out here, right by the creek. And you got a shady spot over here with a campfire. And someone left wood. And the creek looks very refreshing, but I'm sure it's very cold. Nice, nobody's here. It's very rare that I find a spot right on a creek like this. I think I'll sleep good tonight with the sound of this. I'm at a new spot now, just outside of Durango, Colorado. That's where the $1 Million Highway ends. It says this is a trailhead. And at first I didn't see any trail, so I just kept walking through the forest and I came upon a trail. But the trail led to an intersection of another trail. So I guess I'll just wander, as they say, and see what I come up with. Oh, and we have people riding horses. Oh, and look at that, behind their horse. There's a burro trailing. See the two people on horses, and then behind them was a burro. There it is. Huh. Look at him, he's running. He's running after them. I wonder if he's a pet. Let's just follow this trail up this way. Oh, now it looks like it ends here and it intersects with another trail. Geesh, this is just all trails. Oh, let's go this way. This is pretty. Let's see where this trail goes. I'm just gonna take whatever trail I feel like and see where they go. That's one of the things I like to do. I have water with me, so if I'm gone a few hours, it's no big deal. One of the things I like to do, as long as it's an open forest like this or a desert, I like to kind of just meander and get lost. And it's always easy to find your way back because you can see through the forest. That's a nice thing about ponderosas. They don't have branches on the lower parts of them. See? They start up above so that you can see through the forest, which makes it a lot easier to navigate. Well, apparently this is an equestrian trail, and it looks like it leads down to a ranch and a parking place to, I guess, offload your horses. So I'm going to turn around and hike back the other way, which goes up a hill and deeper into the forest and away from these houses. This trail goes along the edge of the meadow here, and then it goes up into the forest. And as you can see, I don't know if you can tell, but there's hills in the middle of the forest. So the trail goes up those hills. And what I'm hoping is that there'll be a view of the distant mountains from up on the hills. I'm noticing that there was a forest fire, wildfire here. All of the trees, now that I look at them closer, they're all blackened. And they're blackened all the way up to the top. Even though there's all the new green leaves. Okay, I found the trail that's climbing up to the ridge. I see there's a really tall peak there. Let's check it out. I'd like to get up on top there. Getting closer to the ridge now. It's right up there. I don't really feel like bushwhacking my way through the scrub. So I'm going to continue on and see if we can maybe locate a path leading up. The trail forks off here and it goes up to the ridge. Let's take it. The equestrian trail I'm on actually turned into a wider trail and it goes up to the peak. So that's where we're going. It's kind of a quad trail. I'm at the top of the peak. We made it off the trail and back to the main road. And I'm just a few minutes from the van. Well, that was much shorter getting back on the road than hiking through the whole forest again. Although that was beautiful. I like being in the middle of the trees like that. This is what the trees look like in their natural state, with the colored orange kind of bark on it. I did some reading up on the ponderosa pine and found out that it's fire resistant. So I guess that's why all these trees are blackened, but they're still standing. They also have the scent of butterscotch in the bark. So if you go up to the tree and smell it, it smells like butterscotch. Also, they can grow up to 232 feet and live to 600 years old. Interesting. I just noticed the shadow, the long black shadow from that tree right there. Can't be possible because the sun is behind me. You see my shadow. So it took me a minute. Followed the shadow. And it's coming from the tree behind me.